Are you prepared for the price hikes in 2025? The reality is, the cost of living is expected to rise, and the prepping community is no exception. The coming year, 2025, is set to hit the prepper niche particularly hard. Anything related to preparedness and outdoor lifestyles is predicted to see the steepest increases. This is because when demand spikes, prices follow suit. More people than ever are investing in their safety and self-sufficiency. This high demand not only drives up prices, but also leads to potential shortages. So, if you're in the prepping game, now is the time to act. We're about to dive into 12 prepping items to stock up on before 2025 price hikes. We'll be exploring crucial items for your survival toolkit and how securing them now could save you a lot of trouble and money down the road. So gear up and stay tuned as we dive into 12 prepping items to stock up on before 2025 price hikes. First on the list is cooking oil. You might be wondering, why cooking oil? Well, it's a staple for meal preparation, but its importance goes beyond just frying up your catch of the day. Climate change is affecting crop yields worldwide, and increased global demand is driving prices up. So securing a good stock of cooking oil now is a wise move. But here's the kicker, cooking oil isn't just for cooking. In a pinch, it can double up as a tool for preserving food. That's right, you can use it to keep your perishables from spoiling. And if you ever find yourself in a situation where you're without electricity, guess what? You can use cooking oil in emergency lamps. It's a multi-purpose item that you definitely want to have in your survival toolkit. So remember, it's not just for cooking, but also for preserving food in emergency lamps. Next up, we have solar chargers and battery banks. As we edge closer towards a future powered by renewable energy, these items have become quite the rage. They're portable, efficient, and vital for anyone preparing for the unexpected. But as is the case with any technology that's in high demand, prices are expected to rise. The cost of components used in solar chargers and battery banks is likely to increase, driven by advancements in technology and the growing demand for renewable energy solutions. With more people jumping on the renewable energy bandwagon, manufacturers are innovating at a rapid pace, creating more advanced and often more expensive products. As preppers, we know the value of being prepared and self-sufficient. Solar chargers and battery banks allow us to harness the power of the sun, providing an inexhaustible energy source when we need it most. With renewable energy becoming more popular, these items are a must-have for every prepper. Let's talk about powdered milk. This long-lasting dairy product is an essential staple for preppers. It's nutritious, easy to store, and can be used in a variety of meals. But powdered milk prices are set to climb. Why? The cost of feeding dairy cows is rising. It's not just about the hay anymore. Farmers now need to include supplements and vitamins in their cattle's diet to ensure high-quality milk production, and these additions don't come cheap. On top of that, there's export demand to consider. With more countries importing powdered milk, demand is skyrocketing, and as we know, high demand often leads to high prices. For preppers, these factors spell out an urgent call to action. Buying powdered milk now before the price hike can save you a significant amount in the long run. So if you haven't already, it's time to stock up on this long-lasting dairy product now. Water is life, and that's why water filters and purifiers are crucial. These handy tools can turn murky, questionable water into a clear, potable source of hydration. And in survival situations, that's a game changer. Clean water is not just for drinking. It's crucial for cooking, hygiene, and even medical needs. But why are the costs of these lifesavers expected to rise? Well, it's a classic case of supply and demand. Clean water sources are becoming increasingly scarce due to pollution and overuse. This means more people are turning to filters and purifiers for access to safe water. The result? Increased demand and, you guessed it, higher prices. And it's not just the cost of the filters and purifiers themselves. The components used to make them are also becoming more expensive. So what's the takeaway? Secure your supply of clean water by investing in these items now. Proteins are essential, and that's where meats of all kinds come into play. The price of meat is projected to rise due to various factors. Feed prices are on an upward trend, and with increasing global demand for meat, it's inevitable that these costs will be passed on to the consumer. Additionally, changes in trade policies can also escalate meat prices. For preppers, meat is an important source of protein, which is key for maintaining strength and energy in survival situations. Freeze-dried or canned meats are particularly valuable for long-term food storage. They are easy to pack, have a long shelf life, and can be rehydrated quickly when needed. So while the price hikes haven't hit just yet, it's a smart move to start stocking up now. After all, it's better to be one step ahead when it comes to survival. Start filling your freezer or pantry with freeze-dried or canned meats today. Health is wealth. Let's discuss first aid supplies. In the realm of preparedness, first aid supplies are non-negotiable. Accidents, injuries, and illnesses don't follow a schedule, and when you're on your own, having the right medical supplies can mean the difference between a close call and a catastrophe. First aid kits should be comprehensive, including items like bandages, antiseptics, tweezers, medical tape, pain relievers, and essential medications. Now, why might we see a price hike in these critical supplies? The simple answer is demand. In the wake of the global pandemic, more people are recognizing the importance of being prepared. This increased awareness is driving up the demand for medical supplies and, in turn, their cost. As we approach 2025, it's more crucial than ever to ensure your first aid arsenal is up to the task. Health emergencies don't wait, so make sure your first aid kit is well stocked. Lighting the way, we have LED flashlights and lanterns. These essential tools are more than just a source of light. They're a beacon of safety and a signal for help when you're navigating the unknown. But why will prices increase? As technology advances, the quality of these items improves. Better components, higher luminosity, longer battery life, all of these enhancements come at a cost. With more people recognizing the importance of high-quality, durable, and reliable lighting solutions, demand is skyrocketing. And with higher demand comes higher prices. For preppers, LED flashlights and lanterns are indispensable. They're your eyes in the dark, your guide in the wilderness, your signal for help. They can spell the difference between safety and danger, between being found and staying lost. So before prices rise, it's wise to stock up and secure these valuable tools. Don't be left in the dark, secure your light sources now. In line with hydration, let's look at bottled water. As we march towards the year 2025, the cost of bottled water is projected to rise, and there are two primary reasons for this. First, water scarcity is becoming a global issue, and this increased demand for clean, safe water is driving up prices. Second, the costs associated with packaging are also rising, adding to the overall cost of bottled water. For preppers, bottled water is a critical component of any survival kit. It provides a quick and convenient source of hydration, especially during the early stages of an emergency situation when water sources may be compromised. Additionally, bottled water has a relatively long shelf life, making it ideal for long-term storage. Remember, in a survival situation, hydration is key, and having a stockpile of bottled water can make all the difference. Water is essential for survival. Make sure you have enough. For cooking and heating, we have propane. This is an essential prepping item that often slips under the radar. However, as we approach 2025, propane prices are projected to rise. Why? Well, the fluctuations in oil prices globally are a significant factor. As the oil market experiences instability, so does the price of propane. Moreover, increased seasonal demand, especially during cold periods when propane is used for heating, will also contribute to a price surge, so it's essential to start stocking up now before these price hikes kick in. Now, why is propane so crucial for preppers? Well, propane is incredibly versatile. It's used for cooking, heating, and even for fuel in some vehicles. It's also easy to store and has a long shelf life, making it ideal for long-term survival scenarios. So let's not overlook this valuable commodity. Ensure you have a steady supply of this versatile fuel. Next, the versatile tarps. The cost of raw materials necessary for producing tarps continues to rise, and this, coupled with their wide-ranging uses, is pushing up demand. For preppers, tarps are a must-have item. From constructing a makeshift shelter to collecting rainwater, tarps are undeniably versatile. They can also serve as a ground cover to keep your sleeping area dry or as a shield to protect your gear from the elements, but their uses don't stop there. Need to carry a large amount of firewood or other supplies? A tarp can help. Want to signal for help? A brightly colored tarp can be seen from a distance, and in case of injuries, a clean tarp can serve as a sterile surface. The possibilities are endless, so before the prices jump, stock up on these invaluable tools. From shelter to ground cover, tarps are a prepper's best friend. Footwear is vital. Let's talk about boots. When it comes to survival gear, a sturdy pair of boots can make all the difference. But as we're heading into 2025, expect to see the price of boots rise significantly. Leather and labor costs are on the upswing, and transport fees aren't getting any cheaper. These factors combined will inevitably lead to a hike in boot prices. For preppers, boots are not just about style or comfort. They are a necessity for navigating rough terrains, protecting feet from harsh weather, and ensuring mobility in challenging environments. A good boot can withstand wear and tear, provide excellent traction, and most importantly, keep your feet safe and dry. Remember, in a survival scenario, taking care of your feet is paramount. Ignoring this can lead to a host of problems that might impede your mobility and survival chances. Good boots are worth their weight in gold, so invest in a pair now. Last but not the least, sleeping bags. These cozy cocoons are an absolute must for any prepper. But why are the prices set to rise? Well, it's all about the materials and the technology. As the demand for higher quality materials and advanced insulation technologies grows, so do the costs. Manufacturers are constantly innovating to create sleeping bags that are warmer, more durable, and lighter. This evolution of technology doesn't come cheap, and these costs trickle down to the consumer. But why are sleeping bags so important for preppers? It's simple. In a survival situation, a good night's sleep is as important as food and water. It helps maintain your physical health and keeps your mind sharp. A cold, uncomfortable night can leave you feeling run down, affecting your ability to make crucial decisions. So, investing in a warm and comfortable sleeping bag now might just be the difference between a restful slumber and a sleepless night. A good night's sleep is crucial for survival. Make sure you have a warm and comfortable sleeping bag. So, that's our list of 12 prepping items to stock up on before 2025 price hikes. From cooking oil to sleeping bags, these items are the backbone of any preparedness plan. But with increasing demand and rising costs, they're set to get a whole lot pricier. Securing these items now isn't just a wise decision, it's a strategic move. Climate change, global demand, and technological advancements are driving prices up across the board. And in a world where self-sufficiency is becoming more than just a hobby, it's a necessity. But remember, prepping isn't just about collecting items, it's about understanding the value of each piece in your survival toolkit. It's about knowing why you need it, how to use it, and when to use it. So take this knowledge, act on it, and ensure your safety and self-sufficiency for the years to come. Remember, the early bird gets the worm. Start prepping today and stay safe.